Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the correct way to use Google Gemini. Whether you're new to this powerful tool or looking to refine your skills, this tutorial is packed with actionable insights, practical examples, and expert tips to enhance your productivity and workflow. My name is Hone. I have a strong interest in technology and business management. I operate a business that offers outsourcing services to clients in the fields of fintech, e-commerce, and AI. Today, we'll explore how to make the most of Google Gemini, from enabling essential settings to leveraging advanced features for daily tasks. Before diving into the functionalities, it's essential to configure your settings for optimal performance. Enable the dark theme. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner and toggle on the dark theme. It's not just easier on the eyes but also feels more professional. Activate Respond in real time. This setting ensures quicker responses, saving precious seconds during intense workflows. Manage extensions. For personal Google accounts, navigate to the Extensions tab and enable essential tools like Google Workspace and YouTube. Avoid toggling on unnecessary extensions to maintain a streamlined experience. Currently, extensions aren't available for Google business accounts, but stay tuned for updates. Google Gemini offers intuitive shortcut commands for various tools like Gmail, Google Docs, Google Drive, and YouTube. Here's how to maximize them. Gmail use cases effortless email search. Use commands like @Gmail email to find emails related to specific topics. For instance, command: give me all emails that mention Spotify earnings. Result: a precise list of emails, often outperforming Gmail's native search function. Retrieve confirmation emails. Try, find all flight confirmation emails from this year. Gemini quickly filters relevant results without requiring extensive search operators. Google Drive search made easy. Example command: find all documents related to SAT prep saved as PDFs. Gemini understands context, providing relevant files even when the query is vague. Document analysis with Google Docs analyze specific files. Command: analyze and summarize the top 3 takeaways from Year 1 self-assessment. Dynamic queries include timeframes or specific details to refine searches, like pulling the most recent resume update. Google Gemini excels in processing complex data formats and generating actionable insights. Image analysis. Copy-paste a chart or graph into Gemini and ask for key takeaways. For example, a command like, as a senior business analyst, analyze this chart and highlight the top trends. Table extraction. Screenshot a non-editable table, e.g., from a PDF, paste it into Gemini, and request an editable table format. Export the output to Google Sheets for further analysis. Reverse engineer AI prompts. Paste an AI-generated image into Gemini and ask for the underlying text prompt. Use this prompt to replicate or tweak the image in other platforms. Though you can't upload PDFs directly into Gemini, there are effective workarounds. Hosted PDFs. Share the link to an online PDF, e.g., a report, and ask Gemini for analysis. Google Drive integration. Upload the PDF to Drive and use Gemini's @Google Drive command to retrieve and process the file. Gemini's YouTube integration transforms how you interact with video content. Analyze ad performance. Paste the video URL and request insights. For instance, why did this Popcorners advertisement perform well? Gemini identifies target audiences, engagement metrics, and underlying user insights. Summarize long videos. Command: summarize this 2-hour podcast and highlight actionable steps. Saves time by distilling key points into manageable insights. Google Gemini offers pre-configured prompts to guide users through complex queries. Example: select, understand a complex topic, and input, large language models. Gemini provides clear, concise explanations tailored to your expertise level. Customize outputs with tone options like casual or professional, and adjust length preferences. Pro tip: using drafts effectively. Gemini generates multiple drafts for each response. Cycle through these drafts to find the one that best suits your needs. Gemini allows voice prompts for hands-free operation and text-to-speech responses for accessibility. Example voice command: tell me a hilarious dad joke. Share your queries and responses publicly or pin frequently used prompts for quick reference. To master Gemini, embrace its training tools. Fact-checking features. Verify responses with built-in fact-checking to ensure accuracy. Prompt refinement. Analyze how Gemini structures its prompts and apply these techniques to improve your own.